Okay, I'm gonna have my chuck roast boneless seasoned steak. Alright. Still frozen, but I'm going to deep fry it anyway. So that's just fine. This is actually too big, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Alright, so that's better. I just cut that part so it will fit in my deep fryer. Okay, so now my roast beef steak is finished. It's cooked. I just had to deep fry it. Alright. I'm gonna eat it with my mashed potatoes. And I made my own potato, mashed potato with other stuff. Sarap oh. Ayan, kain na tayo. I'm gonna eat it with my mashed potatoes na. It's perfect. Ayan, that's my roast beef steak. Alright. Ayan, kain na tayo mga anak. Kain na. Mas masarap kasi kumain dito sa labas ng RV ko. Yun, hinantay ko na lang ma-approve yung ano ko, yung application ko for that big house with swimming pool. I hope I can move there right away as soon as I'm approved. Okay. Kasi i-check pa yung credit ko, i-check pa yung background. Kung may criminal record ako, nako. Alrighty. Protocol lang naman yan. It's a part of their business to make sure na na safe sila dun sa mga nag-a-apply na mga renters. Ayun. So, wait na lang natin. Ikain ko na lang muna mga anak. Kain tayo. Laki oh. Grabe. Ang laki-laki. Ang taba-taba. Kainin ko lahat dyan.